Namaste. Let me ask you, can any one of you recall a verse from any of the Vedas? I will recite for you one which is most common and every Indian must have recited or heard or seen it somewhere, and that is the very famous, the sacred Gayatri Mantra. Now Gayatri Mantra means a verse, means a mantra. Gayatri Mantra is a verse, and Gayatri Mantra means a verse written on the Gayatri Chand. So Gayatri Mantra is called Gayatri Mantra because it is written on the Gayatri Chand, and this Chand is known as meter. And there were various meters which were prevalent when the Vedas were composed, and Gayatri is just one of them. Right? So, and each meter had a particular structure, that how many syllables will be there, how many verses will be there, what will be the flow of those verses, where the stress will be given, and that is how so many meters were used. And Gayatri Mantra, there is not only one Gayatri Mantra, now you can understand in the Vedas. There are various Gayatri Mantras associated with individual gods and goddesses, because Gayatri Mantra is a mantra that has been written on the Gayatri Chanda, Gayatri meter. So I was talking about the most famous verse that you must have heard, and you all must have heard about the Gayatri Mantra, and that is Om Purva Swaha Tat Savitar Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonaha Prachodayam. What is the meaning of Gayatri? Here Gaya means something that is melodious, and three means three. So you will see three lines in each Gayatri Mantra, right? 3 steps or 3 rhythms in it. And I was talking about the ultimate knowledge that is there in all the Vedas. So what kind of knowledge they were talking about? They are talking about not only this physical world we are living in, they are talking about the world in which this physical world lives, and then about the world in which that another physical world lives. We know of the earth, and then we know of the solar system, and then we know of the galaxy, and then we know of that there are many galaxies. But you'll be surprised to understand that this was all known to those people who have given us this gift of Vedas. So in this famous verse, they are talking about only 3 words: the physical world, the antariksh, the space in which this physical world is there, and the word above it. And they knew about another many words, like the word above that and above that and above that, and they knew like some 7 such kind of words, and the most highest one was Satyam. So in this verse they're talking about 3 words. So it starts with Om. Om is Parabrahma. I'll discuss the meaning of Om later, because Om, you can see, is a word. It is comprised of 3 words: O, E, Ma. So just try to pronounce all 3 words and see from where it comes. O, E, Ma. So it starts from within, from the navel, and comes up to the mouth. So from entire body, from entire existence, you are calling the Parabrahma. Then it is Bhur. O, Bhur. Now Bhur, what is this Bhur? It is Bhur, Bhumi, which we are living on, the physical world. Om Bhur Bhuvaha. Next is Bhuvaha. So what is this Bhuva? This Bhuva is the antariksh, the space where this physical world exists. And then comes Swaha. Swaha is the Swarglok, the heaven, which is above the antariksh, above the space. So Bhur, Bhuva, Swaha. They are talking about the 3 words here: the physical world, the antariksh, and Swarglok. Now, Tat Savitar Varenyam. Tat is that supreme, right? And Savitar means of the sun god. Varenyam means one who is fit to be worshipped, is the most blessed one, in whom lies all the boons. Var is very important in Sanskrit. You must have heard of Vardhan, right? It's a boon. So Varanium is one who is fit to be worshipped, is the most blessed one. Then Bhargah. Bhargah is light, light that removes darkness, the luster. Devasya of God. Dhimahi means we are meditating. Dhiya. Dhi is buddhi, the intellect. Dhiyah. Yah is which. Nah. Dhiyo nah. Nah is our. Prachodayat. Prachodayat means may be driven or directed or guided towards what? Towards the Par-Brahma, who is the Supreme God.
Let's now do a reordering of words to understand the meaning. Dhimahi tat varenyam bhargah savituh devasya. We meditate upon the highest brilliance of the source of life. Yah prachodayat nah dhiyah, which may guide or drive our minds. Bhu, bhuvah, swaha, from the physical word to the supreme word of existence.
Now, when we were talking about the meter of the Gayatri Mantra, the Chand, this Gayatri Mantra, the Gayatri Chand always has 24 letters, and you can see this Gayatri Mantra also has 24 letters as Tat, Sa, Re, Yo, Va, Re, Ni, Yam, Bhargo, Devasya, Dhimahi, Dhiyo, Nah, Prachodayat. Right. Now, if you want to put it that there should be 8 words in each line, you can put it like that. Gayatri Chand is considered the most sacred of all meters in Sanskrit grammar and is called the mother of all chandas. 1/4 of the Rigveda is written in Gayatri Chand.
There is also a longer version of Gayatri Mantra which mentions of the 7 words and is used for pranayam. It is found in the Gayatri Aranyak of Yajurveda. Other Gayatri Mantras also have the same composition. Gayatri Mantra is mentioned in the Vedas, Upanishads, Devi Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita and the Ramayana.
We have just discussed one verse of Veda which is talking about 3 worlds, which is talking about some such energy which is so powerful, which illuminates the entire world. So, if you read all the thousands of verses in the Vedas, you'll come to know what kind of wisdom and knowledge is there in the Vedas and why it is known as the ultimate source of knowledge. Now, what are all the Vedas and what is there in all the Vedas and what is Vedic literature? I'll discuss with you in the next video. Thank you.
If you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe.